Anyako and its environs will use this edifice to entertain themselves, to train themselves, to be among. And when we are talking about sport people in the country and the globe, we want to see some of our students using this edifice to their benefit. Therefore, today, we are commissioning this special multi-purpose play court in a neighborhood.
Ivan Sinkari, I work for Right Play as Acting Program Director. This project is part of a Right Play bigger project that is on the Gender Responsive Education and Transformation Project. We call it the GREAT project. And the project is basically to improve the quality of education across a number of regions in Ghana, in the northern region, in the Greater Accra region, and in the Volta region. As part of the process, Right to Play has been training teachers, providing a number of modern technologies and techniques as well as methodologies for them to improve the quality of teaching and learning in the schools. But we have come to realize that there are a number of challenges in the schools, a big gap when it comes to infrastructure and some other basic facilities that are needed to promote quality education. Some of these facilities gap, we have very poor classrooms. Sometimes the classrooms are not well ventilated. In some places it's just the bare floor. Some places they don't have sports facilities. And above all is the challenge when girls come to schools and they are going through their natural process of menstruation. They find it very difficult to stay, so they go back home, and then that disrupts a lot about their education, their retention, and their stay in school. So as part of the project, Right to Play came out with an arrangement to see how we can support some of the schools with this infrastructure. So across the country, we have renovated school blocks, we have provided sports grounds for people, this kind of multipurpose court that you can use for volleyball, you can use for basketball, and so many other activities. Then we have also renovated a number of classrooms across the country, and then we have built a number of girls' changing rooms. Today's ceremony is basically to hand over these facilities that we have constructed in the Keta municipality. We started this activity yesterday. We did it in two communities, and today too we are doing two at Abo and this community as well. But I want to say that all these things we've been doing, we are not doing it in isolation. Right to Play has been working with the Ministry of Education. We've been working with the Ghana Education Service, providing with all the support that they need in terms of training and some other logistics. And even in terms of policy work, we try as much as possible to see how we can engage and review some of the policies. And those that are working very well, we see how together we can scale them up. So today, whatever we have done here is feeding into the national framework of education, supporting the government of Ghana activities. And we are proud to share that at the local level, the Ghana Education Service, the Directorate, you have seen the Minister Director, we are working closely with them, the SECU supervisors, the teachers, and the children. So we are so excited to be part of this. And I must say that this is funded by the government of Canada through their agency they call Global Affairs Canada. And we hope that in the future we'll continue to get more resources to support more schools across the country.
My name is Esina Mapalete, the headmistress of Efia Basic School. Comprises of 332 pupils. Right to Play has given us these two facilities, changing room and playing field. I know this will help in sporting activity, and especially the changing room will make the girls stay in the school for a longer time.